Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to schedule a cleanup on your ROBOROCK Saros Z70. You can create a schedule by clicking on the settings button in the top right corner, then going to schedules, and then you can add a schedule by clicking on add schedule. Then you can set start time to whatever hour you like to set it to. Let's do 3 p.m. Then repetition can be set to happen just once or every day, on weekdays, on weekends, or custom, and then you can select on which days for it to happen. Now you can set what will happen, so you can either do full home cleaning and you can adjust the cleaning mode. You can also do room cleaning and select the rooms to clean like that. Routine, if you have routines created, or a cruise, so it will just cruise around an area and use the camera to like cruise there. I'll do full and I'll save it, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.